Foremost, basically when you receive your worksheet, the one I will send to you via Excel, there are two options. You either go through the file manager, or you go through the file manager, or you use your WPS app reader. The worksheet is mobile friendly as well as PC friendly. If you click on the WPS, if it's open, you see more options. Then you click on the type of file you want to open. For me, the file is not on my options, so I will type the name of the file, template. Yep, then done. It will help me search the template. So this is what I want: results template for 28 June 2003. That was the last time I updated the worksheet. So basically here we have lots of worksheets. We have the first term worksheet, the second term worksheet, the third term worksheet, overall term worksheet. We have the info where our formula is formulated, where you type most important formula. You see the use of all this very soon. Then we have the optional draft worksheet. This is just a sample of what you'll be getting when you actually purchase this worksheet. But first, the most important part of this worksheet is that whatever you edited from first term will reflect in every other terms and every other worksheet, since you are using the same school name, class, and the person that compiled the result at that specific time. But most importantly, we are going to enter the school name. You see the instruction there says double click on this cell to enter or edit school name. That's if you are using PC, but if you are using phone, you just hold on that cell and edit. So you're in editing mode now. You can type the school name if you wish. So this is where you type the school name. For example, I type Marshall International School because that's where I work anyway. So it's important I type that Marshall International School. If you want, put address Sokoto, and you'll see this appearing in every other worksheet. So this is it. I and go to tab. You see it has moved to the next cell, and there is Marshall International School, right? So bring this down. You see Marshall International School here, right? You will see it in every other term. This is second time, you see it there, second term. This is third time, you see it there. This is the overall sheet, you see Marshall International School. And this is the information page. You also see Marshall International School at the top left corner. And you see other information. Let me zoom in. You see other informations like the first term frequency. You learn about these are so important, but whatever you enter from the first term and second term and third term will most likely reflect. You see Marshall International School, and that's my class basic too. So I'm just giving you a sample of what you'll be getting. And now we'll go to the first term, right? We'll edit the subject name. Put your hand on it if you're using a mobile phone. If you're using PC, you just double click. So I edit. And what is the type of subject? Maybe let's say mathematics, right? Mathematics. And you just click on tab. You see there mathematics is right there. Let's say the next subject you're entering is that subject 2 is english english language, and you enter tab. There you have it, English language. And the next one, maybe we say QR or VR, that's quantitative reasoning. Abbreviate it QR, and just delete the other subject. That's why I told you it is editable. And you enter tab. There you have the QR, right? This is mobile friendly. There is the QR. I will have edited other subject, but for now this is the sample. So you see the subject I enter in the three columns C, D and E, that is C3, D and E3. You see it there at second term. Look at the subject, it's appearing there. You see it at third term, it's also appearing there. The overall grade, it is also appearing there. The information page, it's also appearing there. And the optional draft page, you see mathematics, English. Let me zoom out. You see, so these are the optional draft page. All of them have their own functions, but before we go deeply into that, I'll still take you back to the first term. So whatever pupil or student name I enter at this page, you see enter student's name here by clicking on the consecutive downward cell. So maybe I'll enter three names, and you see edit section. Maybe I enter Kosi Sochuku. Kosi Sochuku. I let me see I'm correct. It's Kosi Sochuku. Nice. This is it. Kosi Sochuku. Kosi Sochuku Mba. You enter tab. You go to the next one. You edit the name. Okay, I'm not holding it. You just enter the name. That is maybe James. This is James Franklin. Sorry, James Franklin. Yep. And you go to the next one, Mirabel. Mirabel. Mirabel Jacobs. And you go to the next one, maybe. Sorry. Go to the next tab. Let me edit that page. Yes. Yep. So you have the three names there, right? So if I enter your scores, whatever I enter on the first term, especially the names and subject, it will reflect on other sheet. But it is so important, okay? Let me enter the score first. So here is it. I'm entering the score. There is 54, 48, and 96. Right, so these are the scores I enter for each of the three pupils. The most beautiful thing about this is it automatically calculates the result for you. If you see here, it has sum everything up. The subject I enter, that is for mathematics, English and quantitative reasoning, it has sum everything here and given the average for each pupil. This is the formula, it's on anyway. So it has given the average for each pupil. The first pupil, that is Kosi Sochuku, got 62, and it has awarded the girl with the position. Okay, so by the time I fill up this place, you will see their position will appear here. All right, so the position will appear here.